Yeah.
Welcome to Best RV channel. Nala Marty. What's behind me? It's a brand new, just came in, brand new 2026 Cardinal 35FUN. It's the unit. It's, you could say, 2-bedroom apartment with a 2-bathroom. It has a nice 4 bunk in the front with the full bathroom in the front, central living area, another bedroom in the back with the full bathrooms in the back. So 2 bathroom, 1 in the front by the bunk room, 1 in the back by the king size bed. It's amazing. And then the value and what they did, change a lot of stuff on the brand new 2026. One of the major changes they did, they increased a little bit height here, so you have more room in the front. Nicer cab with a nicer decal. LED light. I mean, I wish it's dark. You could see from my hand, it's LED light. So you could see exactly when you hitch it up at night. A nice LED strip, 1 here and 1 there. So it's very bright at night. Beautiful power awning. Look at the beautiful power awning with LED light as well a floodlight. You have a pass-through storage over here. And there's a 200-watt solar panel, and there's the controllers. There's a plug for TV. You could put a small TV here, or you could put it outside and hook it up right there. Nice beer can opener. It comes with a 2 20-pound tanks. Propane is right here. Let me open it and show you. So 2 tank come with it, easy to get in. And also, a lot of customers, they ask me, the 2 tank is not enough for me. Guys, with the new technology where everything run off the battery and the solars, this is way plenty. And if you need a 3rd one, you could get it from your house. Probably you have a barbecue tank laying in the back here in your backyard, you could bring it with you. Now, 35FUN, why people they buy the 35FUN is because you have 2 entry doors on a 5th wheel. You have entry doors to the living area close to the bunk room and the bathroom in the front. And then you have a door through the bathroom in the back. Now, look how big this awnings. You have 2 power awnings, 1 in the front of the slide and 1 in the back of the slide. Now, if you look in the top of the unit, we have 3 ACs. So that's one of the major changes on 2026. They give you 2 power awning, 3 ACs, as well. The major changes they did, they give you auto leveling. So you could see auto leveling, 3 AC, 2 power awnings. Plus, I'm gonna go more in detail showing you the extra features. Nicer step. These are very recycling, big foot step here. So you don't, when you open the door, you don't trip. In the back, super clean. They give you the backup camera prep. They give you a class 3 hitch with a plug, so you could do a towing up to 3,000 pounds, no question asked, and they have the wiring. So if you have some state, they allow you to pull triple. So for boat, jet skis, no issue. Coming over here, you have 50 amp cord, come with it. It's 50 amp service. Then you have 2 slide out on this side, 1 slide out on the other side. Endless hot water heater, Suburban, endless hot water heater. And then you have the pass-through storage with a docking station. What I like about their docking station is very easy. I mean, you get all your hoses through here. So you have cable hookup, satellite hookup, sandy flush, city water connection, antifreeze hookup, and all this stuff right here and lighted. And again, they still give you the big storage in the front. Coming over here, this is a big deal for the 2026, is you have the auto leveling. As you see, I could do auto leveling by pushing this auto, and then the light switch, battery disconnect, and your batteries go right here. On the front is designed, if you decide one day, you could have a built-in generators one day. You don't have to, but look what I like what they did. They put the spare tire inside, so protected. If you want to put a generators, it has a room for it. If you decide to use it for dairy storage, like blocks, oils, and that kind of stuff, tools, that's solid. Let's go inside. I'm really anxious to go inside the 35FUN. Now look, the step, easy to get in. You're not gonna fall off. That's the beauty about the 35FUN. I'm inside the brand new 2026 Cardinal 35FUN. It's bright even with the shades down. Look how so bright, because what they did, they add those 2 extra windows. Again, nobody gonna look through them, but it give you more bright. So when you walk on the fifth wheel, it make it so bright. Also, Cardinal, I like their tables. There's a 110 volt outlet and USB plug underneath. It's right there. No bars, no legs, nothing. So I sit on it comfy. It's a high-rise faucet. There's 110 plug there and the two kind of USB plug. That's a big. All the unit is equipped with a zebra shade. So daytime, nighttime. Daytime, nighttime. So these are the zebra shade. Big panorama window, and I'll open them for you to show you how bright this unit. Going over here, beautiful theater seating. I mean, again, I need to buy these and put them in my house for theater room. Where's my drink, please? It's so hot outside. Beautiful theater seating, facing the TV. It's very nice, a smart TV. And fireplace, huge counter space. You have this counter space, this counter space, this counter space, and this and that's extended. So you look amazing for counter space. Residential microwave, 30-inch, with the storage above and aside. 3 nice burner range with a backsplash, oven, and doors, unbelievable. Cooking pan doors, tinsel doors, more doors, more doors, more doors, and place for trash can. And by the way, come with the trash can. Voila! You don't have to buy nothing. Just bring your food and clothes and go live in it. Pantries. Now, if you tell me this is not enough pantry, what do you think about this? It is a big pantry, and it has a lip, so the stuff does not fall off when you're driving. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus this pantry. Now, if you don't want to use this for cooking pans, use this for pantry, or this cooking pan, pantry here. So the conclusions, you got so much storage on this unit. Guys, what I named this? Everybody tell me what I named this. It's the appliances countertop. I could put my espresso, my toaster, or any equipment run off 110, because now I put the nice breeze. But again, you could put any 110 equipment right here with no problem. USB plug. And beautiful kitchen, isn't it? You got plenty of room. Now, let's show you what's in the front. Now, it's a 2-inch thick step. So you could see it's solid to walk in. And this is the 35FUN. 35FUN, I could take my kids and going camping and going homework, and I could make them homeschool, because they give you the office, so you could sit here and voila, computers, enjoy, beautiful view, the kids, they could see what's going on in the campground, and it's so amazing and beautiful. They could look and use it as an office. They have their own closets, doors for their toys. And then you have one bed and another bed. And also, people, they don't realize there's a bed here. As well, more closet. Voila. I could lay down on it. 2 people sleep here, one there. USB plug, 110 shelf. Also, there's a 2 bunk in the top. 1 person sleep that way, and 1 person sleep that way. And notice, every bunk has USB and 110. There's one in the top corner, and then there's also top here. And there's one right there. You could put a TV for the kids. If you want to put one in their bedroom, there's plenty of room, there's support, and there's the plug and the coax. So you have everything, and they have their own AC. So they have their own AC, their own heater, their own office, their own bunk room, their own closet, and they have a full bath. That is a big deal, because everybody make this floor plan. You can start naming names for me. X, Y, Z, all these, they make the same floor plan. But what they give you half bath. That means just a sink and a toilet. But on the 35FUN, I like what they did. They give you a shower. So you have very roomy shower here, and skylight, big showers, and a sink, medicine cabinet, and a toilet. So the kids living in the front, they have their own bathroom, they have their own kingdom, And in the back, they have a king size bed with their own full bathroom. So the kids, they're not gonna come to your room and say, Dad, Mom, I wanna go to the bathroom. They have their own bathroom here. Okay. Now going to the back. I love this barn door. It's like a country. You have a beautiful barn door. It's amazing. Look how beautiful this king size bed. There's a big place to put a big 50-inch TV on the wall. There are even backers for easy TV mount. Vanity, how many doors? Oh my God, 3, 6, 9, 12 doors. I don't know what you're gonna put in them, but there's the 12 doors, as you see. And a closet, and by the way, the shirt go this way. Pants and closets. And also, you could use a closet here, or you already have the hookup for the washer and dryer. Now, this shelf, if you use a combo unit, I keep. But if you use a stackable unit, those two, this shelf I take, and this unit is gonna take the stackable washer and dryer for you if you want. Again, you don't have to, it's what you want, not what you need. So it's prep for combo or stackable. King size bed. This is a true king size bed, 60 by 80. That's a big deal. Plus, look how much the storage you gain underneath it. And it's totally finished. So you could put all kind of stuff. And you have your own AC. As well, you have AC in the living room, AC in the kids' room, and then you have a USB plug and 110 and shelf on every corner. Plenty storage. Now, walking here, you have a full bathroom. Look how roomy it is. I love this LED light. You have your own windows. That's a nice touch window. The closet for sheets and whatever you want to add. Utensils, big sink, prep area, no issue for height in the bedroom. Sorry, height in the toilet. How high, no issue. Showers, and name it. So it's very nice unit. The 35FUN, I could sleep 2 in this size and 4 in the front. So I could make 6 people live in this house with no problem. And again, amazing the price. I don't know how to say it, folks, because every customer coming in, they say, Niall, you took the fun of haggling. We thought we were gonna go back and forth. No, at Best RV, we shop for you. We give you the lowest price in the state of California. We did our homework for you. We have location East Coast, South Coast. So we know when we give you the price, we're the best. Plus, no hidden fees. We make your dream. You camp in it, dream it, camp in it. We sell for less, free get ready package, no hidden fees. Come in and buy it from Best RV and take this 2-bedroom apartment on the road.